Thanks so much. I welcome you to Politics Today. I'm your brother, Great. The hidden agenda, the original intention of SOWERE's protest to free Nnamdi Kanu, even the sponsors of the said protest, the general public now know better. You see, the intention was never to free Nnamdi Kanu. We don't need protest to free Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu is innocent of all the charges brought against him. The judiciary knows, the executive knows. So you don't need protest to free him. They are working to achieve something.
They have been on this now for the last 2 weeks. It's time for us to bring Nnamdi Kanu. It is the time to bring Nnamdi Kanu home from unjust detention. Some of them say they will call me back. Till today they have not called me back. But when the time for anything is right, you don't need a big man. The big man is about to be reduced to nobody now. Because the real big man and the biggest fish is the person we are trying to bring home, which is Nnamdi Kanu.
When SOWERE was recruited and heavily empowered to organize that protest, the intention was to destroy the person of His Excellency Mr. P2B, to bring him down, and to set up Igbo youths to be wasted. Sadly, the plot failed. SOWERE could not achieve it. You have heard him say the purpose of that protest. He told the whole world when he was addressing a group of gullible Igbo youths, shouting Igbo Kweno. He said he reached out to some Igbo leaders and they refused to respond. Some of them said they will call him back, but they never called back. But the gods said it's the time to protest. SOWERE said one big man will fall now, and the other big man, Nnamdi Kanu, will be released. That is a lie. The protest was to bring down His Excellency Mr. P2B. That is that big man they want to fall. They are all in that conspiracy. All of them see P2B as their only headache. Both Atiku Abubakar, Goodluck Jonathan, Tinubu, they all conspired in this protest, but it failed. It failed woefully. It did not succeed in bringing down P2B. It did not succeed in giving them opportunity to go against Igbo youths and waste them. It did not succeed. It did not succeed at all. So they are thoroughly disappointed. The intention of SOWERE-led protest backed by APC. This is APC-backed protest targeting the person of His Excellency Mr. P2B. That's why they told you every other politician had backed the protest. P2B is not responding. P2B is not responding. He is afraid of who will steal the show. Look at SOWERE. SOWERE, a tool in the hand of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, a tool in the hand of the highest bidder. Atiku had once used him when he was fighting on Obasanjo. Anybody who can pay the bill, SOWERE is available. That's the person that is telling you P2B is afraid of who will steal the show. Which show? Who is SOWERE? A political tool in the hand of money misruled politicians. So, the protest did not achieve the desired result. They were not able to bring down His Excellency Mr. P2B. That is why they are now aggressive. They have gone offensive now. In that video, I will tell you the offensive action they have taken in reaction to the failed protest. share this video and subscribe to this channel. Let the Nigerian people know SOWERE is a chief enemy of the Nigerian people. He works for the oppressor. He is not for us. He is not for us. He works for the oppressor. Let every Nigerian know this. Share this video, please. Be a helper of the truth. You will not miss your reward.